Hello everyone, welcome back for today's puzzle. Looks like we're doing puzzle number 70. Again, there's a link down in the description below if you would like to purchase the book and solve along with me. I do make a small commission from any of those sales. Alright, let's start with this box here. 1, 2, 3, 4, so we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this box, looks like we're missing a 6. So then for this row, looks like we're missing 5. In this box, 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 there, so 6, 4. To finish out this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Finish out this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. All right, if we look at this column, we've got 1, 2. We're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 8. 3 and 8 here, so this is our 5. And an 8 here, so 3, and that makes this our 8. For this column, looks like we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 9. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 9. And no help here, so 2, 5, 9. For this box, it looks like we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here and a 5 here. So this is our 3. And we've got the 5 here, so this is our 9, and that makes this our 5. So then we can get rid of this 5 here. For this column then, 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so this is our 4 and this is our 6. For this row, looks like we're missing a 1. And for this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 3 here. So that's 2 and 9 again, which means the only place our 3 can be is here. If we look at this column, we've got 1, 2, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. So we've got a 7 here, so 3, 8, a 3 here, so 7, 8. Down here we've got a 3 and an 8. That makes this our 7, 8, 3. So for this box, it looks like we're missing 2, 5, and 9. And we don't have any help. So 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 here. So 5, 6. No help here. So 5, 6, 7. But here we've got a 6 and a 7. So this is our 5. That makes this our 6. And this our 7. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. To finish out this box, we're missing a 1 and a 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this row then, looks like we're missing a 2 and a 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. Finish out this box, we're missing a 1 and a 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. That 9 makes this our 2, and that 9 then would make this our 5. and this is our 9. That 9 comes over here, makes this our 2, and this our 9. All right, well, that was today's puzzle. Thank you for joining me again. Please do like and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow with our next puzzle.